Hi, my name's Robert Hales from DE Hales and Son. We farm at Beckley near Rye in East Sussex. We've got a class 6700 this year to combine 1800 acres.
Over the last 25 years we've had several class combines. Last year we had a 770 TT. This year it's been replaced with a 6700. 770 is coming of age. We felt we need to replace it. Wasn't being pushed to capacity. Having had a chat with our local dealer, we was assured that the new Stalker combines were much improved in capacity. We felt confident we could have a Walker combine again, which appealed. So we took a bit of leap of faith, having no demo, and purchased a 6700. Having started this season, got a bit of way through it. We're very comfortable with the capacity it's got. We're cutting 45 tonne an hour regularly in wheat, which is where we wanted to be, and we're comfortable that we can get through our acreage with this combine now. Aside from output, fuel use is massively less with this combine. We're putting a lot less diesel in it per acre, which is bound to be down to the much smoother crop flow through the combine. With the bigger drum, it's massively less. This combine came with CMOS automatic, threshing and separation. Being a little sceptical at the start about leaving it to do its own thing, gradually built confidence in it, along with the cruise control. They all link in well together, and I've got full confidence in just leaving it to it now. Along with grain quality camera, you can see that on the screen any broken grains or rubbish in the sample. The combine's altering the sieves, air and threshing to compensate to get the sample a really good quality sample. The quantity meter is very accurate. We've calibrated it against trailer weighers which are calibrated on a weighbridge. Yeah, extremely accurate. It's going to give us the confidence to go probably to yield mapping and get a realistic view of the yields across the field to overlay on various other parts of variable rating. I think that the combine, from how it was sold to us and the expectations we had of it, I think it's fulfilled them and more, of increased capacity than what we thought we was going to get. Fuel consumption is very little, and quality sample and everything else. I mean, it's definitely exceeded expectations.